3 nights in a row. Beautiful thunderstorm. This will help me sleep tonight. Anybody that's ever thought that a thunderstorm is scary? It could be, but it's also very relaxing. The energy, the kinetic energy or connective energy off of Ionis is a very relaxing. Very relaxing. Wait for it. Maybe it'll be, oh, beautiful. Look at that. Wait for it again. Hopefully purple this time. We got some purple lightning earlier. But it's absolutely breathtaking. Even out at the front of the house. Make sure the cat doesn't get out. Wait for it. Nature is beautiful. Most people just think it's scary. Good night, all. Good night.